Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Tapia and I am your English teacher during this online course. In this course, we'll use the Google Classroom platform. Let's start to check the cover page of this website. This website is an interactive in order to learn language or English language. First, we are going to start with an introduction about the course. And also I post a motivational phrase in order to motivate you, you write another one, please. In the comment, you can also type your motivational phrase. Thank you. Also, in this part, I post an introduction topic which is introduce yourself. In this part, you can find my information and my expectation about this course with you. Also, I need to comment yourself about what is your name and what are your expectations for this course, my students. Now we are going to move to the next part, which is general information. In this part, you can also find important aspects about the course. First, here we have the introduction to the course. In this part, I can use Canva presentations to present my course content. First, here we have the topic of the unit, which is the weather, and the English course, which is the level A1, and also write an introduction about the course. And then we are going to share with us the materials. Maybe you can use video, you can use resource, all the activities you can do on time. Please, my students. The second part that you can find in this platform also is the objectives of the course. And also I can use a presentations to know the learning objectives. Yeah, here we have, you read the general objectives of this online course. To move the second part, here we have a video, and also you can use to watch in order to introduce about the topic of the unit. Here we have also, you can see the video. Move the next part, which is evaluation criteria. In this evaluation criteria, the students know how to be evaluated. All the students are great in all the activities that you can post in this platform. Move to the unit 1. In this unit, you can also use different materials to learn the new topic, which is the weather. You can also look the lesson 1. In this lesson 1, you can find the objectives, you can find the materials, and also you can find the introductions. Now we are going to check that part. In this part, students can find a video to introduce yourself about the topic. Yeah. Also in this part, I can use YouTube to share with my students a video about the weather.
English Sing.
It's an interactive video. Yeah. The second part also, students use the flashcards to know and to learn the new vocabulary. Moving to the second part of this unit, we can find also more practice about the vocabulary that learned before. We can also use the platform WordWall, in which students can use a matching activity for learning the new vocabulary that they learned before. In this way, students can learn in a more interactive way. Also, the students can watch the picture and select the correct name of each weather. Following the next activity, you can find a practice. In this practice, also students can find a Kahoot activity in which is a game. In this game, also students can practice different vocabulary activities. Here we have also creating a writing activity in which students can develop their writing. Here we have question and answer. Also, I can write an example in other students can follow their answer. Here we have the evaluation. In this part, in the evaluation, students can evaluate yourself about what they are learning. In this part, I can make a Google questionnaire in order to test my students. In this can use different type. You can also use true question and answers, matching questions, also guessing questions, using the vocabulary that are learned in this unit. Also, the most important part for my students is the use of different sources. Yeah, in bibliography, we have different activities to practice your English learning. Also, we have a word search, a multiple choice activity, weather seasons, maybe also have another game for weather. In conclusion, this activity permits students to learn in a new way, using the platform, using the different apps like Kahoot, like WordWall, like Live Worksheets, activities in order to improve your English language. Thank you. Have a nice, wonderful experience in this English course.